All right, it's that time again, back here at the Maple Motors lot to show you guys all the brand new inventory that's so new, it's not even available yet and won't become available until around noon on Monday. That's when you'll get the price and all the details you want to know, 100 detailed pictures on each ride. And you can find all that on maplemotors.com. Not a huge variety this week, but I feel like we got a little something for everybody. You're looking at a few of them right here. Now, before we get started, I want to remind you that you can see these sneak peek videos early by becoming a channel member. You get early access to the sneak peeks, and those videos also include the Lot Walk Girls as an added bonus. So to see that early version of the video, you can scan this QR code. I'll also put a link in the description and the comments below. And we're starting off strong with this 1971 Chevy Chevelle, red with the black stripes. Let me know what you guys think that Maple Motors is going to price this one at. Let's take a look at it. This one's certainly a highlight of the week, a 1973 Dodge Challenger Rally. I know not everybody's a fan of yellow, but man, you gotta admit, this one's pretty sweet. Let's take an exclusive first look. And of course, if you're a truck guy, we got something for you this week as well. You're looking at a 1991 Chevy Silverado 1500. This one looks pretty clean inside and out. Let's take a look. Got a couple new Mustangs on the lot this week. You're looking at a red 1967 Ford Mustang convertible. What more could you ask for? Let's take a look at it. from the 1967, we're going to rewind it back to a 1965 Ford Mustang, green with the white top. Let's take a closer look. One thing you can almost always count on is that there's going to be at least one new Camaro on the lot each week. This time you're looking at a maroon 1968 Chevy Camaro. Let's take a look. Nice handful of new inventory. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss the first look at all the new inventory before it's even listed. You're getting the exclusive first look here. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.